What's up, guys? Welcome back to Montians and Kids. Today is a special day. It's Fireworks Day, and everyone's out there buying those fireworks. And you know what? They are so expensive. So we've decided to do a prank on them. See what their reactions are if we told them that we didn't buy any fireworks, but we've already bought some. 2 boxes, $50 each. Mate, it's a lot of money. So
Only one day.
yeah, it's only one thing. I don't know about kids, eh? But
Why is this? Why is the 5th of November?
I don't know. It's just
Why celebrate what?
Yeah.
Is there anybody who die or animal die?
no. It's just. I think it's just close to Christmas Day. Yeah.
To spend money and no Christmas presents.
So hope you guys enjoy this vlogging or this prank. Make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Stay tuned. Let's get to the video.
Hold your own phone.
I like this big one. But Phil didn't even do one. Because when he threw it, he only did one.
Tomorrow.
I was
Hold out.
After today, that's it.
I like this one.
Finish today. You can't buy it tomorrow. It's one day.
Why? You used to buy it.
You can't buy it after
I like
today.
that one. No, you said you can.
No, you can't.
Well, let's go see at the shop.
Hey?
They always finish it.
Yeah,
The big one? Yeah.
How much one?
Huh?
Well, how much was it?
$30.
Was it big? Like that big?
$30.
That's big. You should have bought that.
How much is that one?
The $30 one was this big. I think we should
I
check
don't-
it out.
I don't like that slime.
Huh?
We should check that out.
It's okay.
I don't like that slime.
So happy, eh, Matthew? Matthew, are you happy? There's no fireworks? Why? Why? Why aren't you happy? It's fuel. Why aren't you happy?
I want to do my own fireworks.
You want your own one. If you get your own one, are you going to be really happy? What about Hannah?
What?
Will you be happy if you have your own fireworks?
And me?
And me.
How happy? Really happy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How big is the head?
We can't see that. We don't know.
See, you're all...
Can you
You're
count it?
stupid. Hold on.
But you already found. We have $1. We already got coffee.
Wait, maybe there's an angel, so maybe the angel will come and bring our fireworks.
No.
You reckon?
They never.
There is an angel somewhere. You can drop
Yeah, I know that, but they can't drop
fireworks.
fireworks.
and
Because
people.
the other time, every day, I dreamed of.
No, not on the
It's just too expensive. Too much money. Let's feel some cool. Oh,
What's it called?
what's wrong?
They're already doing it for you. Already for you.
It's alright. What's wrong? Let's feel, are you happy? Why? Are you mad? Why? Why are you crying? Don't cry, man. It's too much money. You can't afford it, me and Mum.
Why so $20 in that bag? A 20 and another 20.
Is it still open, the warehouse?
Yeah. Finish at 10.
Does it finish at 10? Just get the $10 one.
Fear you crying?
Do you want the $10 one?
Yeah. Yeah.
Look at me.
Let's get now.
Yeah, the angel will come and
Please
show.
God, give me the fireworks right now. See? He's not.
What about
Lying.
who?
God.
Oh, you love God? Do you love God?
Oh.
Do you believe it?
No.
Why? You have to believe it. Maybe the angel is coming in.
Right now?
Like a Santa Claus. The Santa Claus would drop
No, but it's not even Christmas.
all pack of presents for
But
all
Santa
the
Claus is not
for
real.
everyone, each and every one of the people around the world.
Santa's not real.
If you wish something, you ask the Santa, and then probably the Santa will drop off fireworks for us tonight. Ay, ngali. Lawa ko may lalai. Yeah.
Why do you put all the cookies in that packet now?
Look at me, view.
Hey!
Surprise!
You lied to me!
You
lied!
Yeah! Look at this!
See that one is $50. Oh, what? These are the big ones.
Hey!
Thumbnail.
Hulunga. Yeah, get it. Eat this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
Cheesecake. You're so happy. Over the moon, the happiness of these kids because they got their fireworks. So because we went this afternoon and bought 2 box of fireworks, and then we bought the box of fireworks for them, and then we hid it for a long time until 9 o'clock p.m. Now it's 9:08 a.m. Mas say we must feel. I might say all anyone must feel. Yay!
I'm covering myself.
Shara. Our neighbors. Whoa. What? Oh.
It's not working.
Subscribe, comment, and like, and yeah, hit the bell button. Hit the bell.